Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Radiator Springs Grand Prix is about to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
Holy, are you ready?
Yep.
Try turning on your defense shield.
Defense.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
Still, what happened earlier was our fault, so we should apologize.
Yeah.
Major, let's go! You're on!
There's smoke on the casino.
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPF.
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
McQueen and Sally, right beneath the cake. T-I-S-S.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
I shall be looking splendid as usual, Thomas. Oh, you mean what job? In that case...
Screeching halt! Lightning McQueen is the first to take advantage. And just like that, folks.
Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper pump.
I'll have to dump them. They're all so nice.
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
Get it done!
All right.
Oh, shoot, that was nuts. I used to be a daredevil.
What?
That's right.
To the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward to this.
Bonita música.
Gave up the piston cup. You know then?
Nah, this grumpy old race car now once told me something.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
Made Dinoco proud. Thank you, Kenny.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's a
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Well then, go! Come on!
Rayo McQueen, hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
Independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Feel the wrath of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
It went into life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Speaking of rape,
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Darling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
But
you upright. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
Daddy.
flames.
Follow me! Right behind you! Be 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt in my ribs.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
And put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fans, but now...
Oh, Corey, there's a lot more to racing than just winning. I mean, taking the race by a full lap.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
You're gonna fit right in and
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guida,